man and the blind man. A crippled man and a blind man were left alone in a house. One day a fire broke out. The blind man, both of them were scared. The blind man could not see the way out. The crippled man could not go to it. One day they decided to help each other. The blind man, the blind man, the blind man carried the crippled man on his back. The crippled man told the blind man where to go. Together they got out of the burning house. This story they want to talk. If we help each other, we will